Hello everybody, welcome back. Today I have a new release from Hunkydory to share with you, so let's get inside this stuffed envelope and see what's inside. This is a fairy collection, so if you love fairies, you are going to love this. Now, I have seen two different names on the design team group for this. It's either called Midnight Fairies or Moonlight Fairies. So when I know which one it is, I will put it as the title of this video. But for now, we're just going to look at the really beautiful things that I have. Now, the first thing I do have is 3 rolls of tape because I managed to run out of tape on the last release I did. I'm not really sure how I managed to run out of tape, but yeah, so they've really kindly sent me 3 rolls through, and that should keep me going for a while. So let's have a look at this. Oh my goodness. So the first thing we have is this cardstock. I'm gonna have to wipe that one, it's got tape marks on it. But look at this, isn't this pretty? Can you see? There's all different patterns on this cardstock. This feels like the Adorable Scorable cardstock, but it's patterned. It's really, really nice. That pink is amazing. And then we have stars. So really, really nice. I think I've got a bit of everything, but we will see. Then I do have, my goodness, I've got a lot of Adorable Scorable here. So I have, my goodness, loads of black. Loads of black. Look at all that. And then I have a couple of purple, a couple of pale pink, a couple of dark blue, a couple of, oh, like that, that's lilac. A couple of the mint green, and there's some real pale blue. My goodness, some more black. I don't think that's the same as before. The other one felt shinier. Yeah, they're two different. That's matte, that's got a shine to it. I like the shiny one. And then let's see. More pale pinks. Okay, so there's a lot of cardstock there. My goodness. Then we have these look like inserts. So we have the fairy on the toadstool. We have, oh, just over there. Oh, that's coloured. That's nice. Got the fairy. It looks like she's reading a book. Oops, flip that one as well. We've got one that looks a little bit like Tinkerbell. So we have 3 inserts. Then we have papers. So let's have a look at these. So this one, okay, so I've got 3 of those. That's really interesting. That's really interesting. Look, that's, is it like wings coming out of the flowers? It's pretty. I like the purples. And then on the back, it's just like a mottled effect. That's pretty. Oh my goodness, look at this. This is beautiful. Really, really quite spring-like. I really like that. Love the butterflies. And on the back, oh, look at that pink. That's gorgeous. Love that one. We have some dragonflies with little flowers. And on the back, oh, look at that rich blue. Isn't that gorgeous? Then we have, this one feels a little bit more autumnal with the daisies. It's really interesting in the background here, I don't know if you can see, but there's like the shadow effect flowers. Really, really clever. Oh, look at that green. That's real foresty green. So those are some of the papers. Then we have the cardstock. So let's have a look. This is coordinating cardstock. Well, there's loads of it here. My goodness, right. So let's have a look. Wow, look at that. It's kind of embossed. It's not raised, but there's definitely texture there. I love it. I love the silhouette effect. I've got really into silhouette cards as well, so this is amazing. And then look at that waterfall. So I have a couple of those, and look at that strip there. You could just trim that and use that really carefully in the design. Then we have that nice real foresty feel, and she's down there blowing kisses to the butterflies. And then you've got that nice strip there. Oh my goodness, look at this pink one. I think this is going to be my favourite. I've got really into pink all of a sudden. And she looks like she's dancing. Got a dancing fairy over there. Look at these gerbers. Oh my word. Oh, I absolutely love that colour pink as well. That's just stunning. Then again, can you see, if you watch the fairy over here, when she catches the light, you can see the shine on her. Love the silhouette there. This one, I feel like I want to cut this or cut into this. Gonna have to think about what I want to do with that, but I do love that. And then this gorgeous purple. Again, the flowers up there. Okay, so I've got some ideas for that one. Oh my goodness, look at that. How beautiful is that? That I think I'm going to have to do like a bridge fold card of some description for, because that's just screaming at me to utilise this bit here. That is absolutely stunning. I absolutely love it. Oh, would you look? I didn't think it could get any better, but look at that. Oh my goodness. I feel like this one I want to cut across the bottom and then use some acetate somehow and then put this strip round the bottom, but without losing these flowers. It's maybe a bowed front card of some kind, not sure, but that I absolutely love. Look how pretty that is. Oh my goodness, look at all the different, it's almost like clouds. Can you see? Is it going to pick up? Oh my goodness, this is magical. This one is just pure magic. And then we've got the gorgeous butterflies. Absolutely love. Oh my goodness, would you stop? Look at that. That is gorgeous. Again, I want to cut along here. I want to use this separately, and I just want to make this the feature. Gonna have to get my thinking cap on. Love those. It is so easy to create beautiful cards with Hunkydory. And if you're a beginner to card making, just buy in one of these kits. You get everything you need to make the cards. So then what do we have here? So I've got some toppers. So I have Fairy Kisses as my first topper set. Isn't this stunning? Look. Oh my goodness. Beauty begins in the moment you decide to be yourself. That is so true. Look how beautiful these sentiments are. Look how beautiful these topper sets are. I mean, these could work for children, but equally, if you know an adult who's really into fairies, I mean, this is just sorted. Look at this one. This is called A Magical World. Look at these. Oh my word. These are just gorgeous. Open the door to a world of magic and adventure. Oh, look at that strip. Oh my goodness. I am going to have so much fun with this. Make a wish. And look. We've got the dancing ones. Oh my goodness. That is... Yes, that's just me. I love it. That's made me so happy. And look at this one with the bird on her hand. Oh my goodness. I just can't cope with this. This is too beautiful. Then we have, so that was Make a Wish. Don't know if I said that. And then this is Beautiful Dreams. Look at that strip. Oh my goodness. And we have the dancing ones. It's a beautiful day to follow your dreams. Oh my goodness, this is just Stunning. And then if that wasn't enough, you got the little book to go with it. So let's have a look. So we have the one that's reading the book. And obviously if you get yours, if you were to get this, this would be in a gummed book. I just get it like this because I've got the samples to work from. But that's fine. I don't mind. It's easy to cut down. Look at that there. Oh my goodness. What else do we have? Oh, would you look? I feel like I want to put a frog on there. I could do a really small diorama with that. Maybe that's what I'll do with that one. Oh my goodness! We have more cut aparts. Now, if you remember on the pet release that I did recently, the Christmas one, there was a cut apart sheet with that, and I went to town. That got really heavily used. So this, oh my goodness, I'm in heaven. Look at the diorama card I can make with that. That in the background, these backed onto cardstock and stacked throughout the card. Boom. Oh my goodness, look at this. It's gorgeous. I feel like you could do those like exploding boxes with these. She's gorgeous. Look at that. Just that. Oh my goodness. And then you've got the dancing one. Dance like no one's watching. I love, look at the tone change through here. It's really subtle ombre effect going through that. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I am so happy to see that in larger form. Oh my word. I love that so much. So that is the latest fairy release from Hunkydory. Can you tell I hadn't peeked before I started filming? Oh my word, I am a little bit lost for words. I am over the moon. I think I've had my breath taken away just a little bit, especially with this horse one. Let me know what you think of this collection in the comment section. Have you got a favourite element? Oh my goodness, I just cannot wait to play. I will leave my cards that I do make at the end of this video so you can see what I've been making. And if you want any further inspiration, head over to the Hunkydory website. There's loads of photos going to be in the galleries over there. They will be on Hobby Maker with this. They will be doing Facebook Lives with this. There will be so much inspiration out there. You are going to be absolutely spoiled. But I really hope you've enjoyed this rather enthusiastic look at the new fairy collection from Hunkydory. Thank you so much for coming and joining me today. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video, and I will be back soon with more videos. So until next time, take really good care and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.